Have you ever struggled with spacing in WordPress, trying to get your text to look just right? Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to add a line break without creating that extra space between paragraphs. Normally, when you press enter, WordPress starts a new paragraph which adds extra spacing automatically. But what if you just want a neat single line break? Here's how. First, place your cursor exactly where you want the line to break. Instead of just hitting enter, hold down the shift key and then press enter. Instantly, your text moves to the next line, but stays within the same paragraph block. No extra space, just a clean, professional line break. This little trick is perfect for creating poetry-style formatting, addresses, or just tidying up long paragraphs without messing with the overall spacing of your content. Once you get used to it, it becomes second nature, and it can really make your posts look much more polished. So next time you want to control spacing in WordPress, remember this Shift plus Enter combo. It's simple, quick, and keeps your content looking exactly how you want. Give it a try in your next post and watch how those clean line breaks instantly improve your layout.